In today's data-driven world, building predictive model is just the beginning. The real power lies in deploying it for real-time decisions, and KNIME makes that easier than ever. With its no-code platform, you can create, train, and evaluate models, then deploy them using KNIME Server for hosting workflows, KNIME WebPortal for browser-based predictions, and KNIME REST API to connect with apps and dashboards. Why deploy to the web? एक real-time input and prediction. 2 scalable performance. 3 easy access from any device. Let's say you are predicting customer churn, you build the model in KNIME, deploy it to the server, access it via the web portal, and even integrate it into a CRM using REST API. Need custom dashboards or mobile integration? KNIME's REST API supports that too. Plus, you get security, monitoring, and version control, all built in. From finance to healthcare, retail to education, web deployment with KNIME turns models into live, actionable tools. Need help with KNIME assignments or model deployment? Contact us today. WhatsApp +91700320895. Email sles.ms25@gmail.com. Website www.myssegmentsolution.org.